This segment of Cincinnati Refined is sponsored by Aptiva Health.
Welcome back to Cincinnati Refined. Aptiva Health's core values are transparency, fairness, and innovation. Today we're going to focus on innovation, and I'm joined by Dr. Sam Choudhury. Hello.
Hi.
So good to be here. This is awesome. The space is very nice. Love the blue for Kentucky.
Yep, absolutely.
So let's talk about some of the conditions that you guys treat here at Aptiva Health.
Sure. So I do a lot of general orthopedics. We end up seeing a lot between my partner and I. He tends to concentrate more on the spine part of it. I concentrate more on everything else. So yes. I'll see shoulders, knees, ankles, hands, the rest of the body. So I think I do more work than he does. Yeah. But he's very specialized and I'm more general. I have a lot of additional biases towards doing stem cell treatments, doing nutritional support, and a lot of holistic health, which Aptiva does a great job in terms of promoting.
Yeah, that's awesome and very innovative, and with the times today and technology. And I know you guys have an app, so let's talk about Aptiva Now.
So we're really excited about this. You know, it basically allows us to be able to generate a little bit more patient-centric and focused care. So the typical issue is, you know, you have a patient that has choices. You know,
right.
So somebody has an injury and they say, oh my gosh, you know, what do I do? And classically, it's let's get on the internet, let's figure it out,
yeah.
Or oh my God, let's get to an emergency room, an urgent care, or maybe 3 days later to my primary care.
Yes.
So we have an option, you know, and the options are if we have our app out there and you have somebody to get in touch with.
Yeah, that's
it's
awesome.
An immediate decompression. Understand your problems, understand your symptoms, deliver care in terms of, well, do I need to come immediately? Can I wait? And is there an opportunity to come to a place like this where we can actually start a care continuum?
Right, and it probably helps to take that stress away, because when you have an injury and then you start to research or ask on the internet and all kinds of stuff comes up, it can be very scary.
You know, for even as physicians, all of a sudden, you know, we have a problem with our eye,
right.
You know, we have a problem with whatever, and we're on the internet too.
Yeah.
So if I have an orthopedic problem and I have an ability to get to an app that my patient can look at and say, hey, this is where I can go to get some trusted advice and be able to direct care, it's exactly what this is going to be for.
That's awesome. And something else that sets you guys apart from other similar practices is that people can be seen today. So let's talk about how you guys can do that and make that work for.
So our basis is really being very patient-centric. Yeah. So, you know, at the end of the day, we're not a mill. We don't see 50 patients a day, you know, and we choose to run a practice that has an ability to be very focused on a care model that is all about me and my patient.
Yes.
And it's one of the reasons I came here. 25 years in practice, and everybody understands this about practice these days. It's coming in and being a number. And unfortunately, that's what it is. It's high volume, and we're not.
Yeah, how many can you get in and out of the door and turnover? But yeah, that's awesome and very much so needed. And so to learn more about Aptiva Health and how you can schedule an appointment, be sure to log on to their website, aptivahealth.com.
This segment of Cincinnati Refined is sponsored by St. Vincent de Paul.
Now is a great opportunity to help your neighbors through St. Vincent de Paul. Your help is needed in a variety of ways: monetary donations, volunteering, or by donating your clothing and home goods to one of their 8 locations. St. Vincent de Paul. Neighbors helping neighbors. Scan the QR code to learn more.